All right, forget everything you thought you knew about SUVs. Just forget it, because this is the monster that just broke out of the cage. This is the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Next Generation. And trust me, this isn't just an update. This is a statement. This is a game changer. Today, we're doing a full breakdown of this beast. Let's go. Let's start up front. This design, it's aggressive, it's boxy, it's no nonsense. Look at this full-width LED light bar with the Toyota script. It's bold, it's modern, and it screams, "I own the road." And it's not just for looks. This heavy-duty bumper with these bright red tow hooks, that tells you this thing is serious about off-road. This is the real deal. The profile, 100% Land Cruiser DNA. It's upright, it's muscular, and it has insane ground clearance. But look at this. A floating roof. That is a super clean modern touch. And these aggressive all-terrain tires, those are not just for show. In the rear, wow, they mirrored the front-end design. Full-width red light bar again with the Toyota script. So cohesive. And check this out. Proper dual exhaust tips. No fake vents here. This is signaling that there is something nasty under that hood. The outside is all business, but inside, Toyota went all out. Welcome to the new tech cabin. Forget that basic work truck interior. This is luxury. Look at this massive screen stretching across the dash. Full digital cluster and the latest infotainment. The materials? Premium. This two-tone perforated leather feels incredible. This blue ambient lighting just sets a whole high-tech vibe. And look up, a massive panoramic sunroof. This is the perfect blend of Lexus-level luxury and legendary Land Cruiser toughness. Okay, it looks the part. But the big questions, what's powering it? And what's it gonna cost? Toyota's staying quiet on the official specs, but the strongest rumor from our insiders, dramatic pause, is the iForce Max hybrid powerhouse. We are talking a V6 twin-turbo hybrid, just like in the Sequoia and Tundra. Power? Expect easily over 430 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, it's a monster. Now, the price. With all this tech, all this luxury, and all this performance, don't be shocked. We are looking at a starting price right around $85,000, and it could easily push $95,000 or more for the top trim. Yep, it's playing in the premium leagues. So who's it up against? The obvious one, the Land Rover Defender 110. The Defender has that luxury brand image, but this Land Cruiser is bringing Toyota's bulletproof reliability to the fight. Then you got the Jeep Grand Cherokee L or even the Wagoneer. They're strong in the American market, but this new Land Cruiser is playing on a different level of tech and build quality. And of course, its own sibling, the Lexus GX 550. The question is, do you want the luxury first Lexus badge or the legendary Land Cruiser badge? So there it is, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just the off-road king you used to know. This is a brutal, sophisticated luxury SUV that has the power to destroy the competition. Toyota is not playing around. They didn't come to compete. They came to take over. The question for you, is this the SUV of the year? Did Toyota nail it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.